Hey folks, Scott with PetraTools. The HD2000 is a 2-gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer that was designed with the DIY homeowner in mind. You don't have to worry about bulk or weight with the HD2000 because it's an all-purpose sprayer that's ideally sized for just about anyone. From tackling those annoying weeds in the flower beds to watering hanging baskets, spraying fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides, the HD2000 is the perfect choice. It features a translucent 2-gallon tank so you can see at a glance how much solution you have left. The wide mouth opening up on top allows you to pour, mix, and rinse without spilling a drop. Perfect for spraying any liquid, garden, or lawn solution, the HD2000 lets you handle any spray job with ease with its winning combination of 5 unique spray nozzles, a multi-purpose wand, and a variable pressure knob. Dial it down to soak seedlings and delicate plants. Dial it up and reach up to 20 feet. With a superior battery life and high-pressure hose, you can spray continuously at 70 psi. And PetraTools includes a charger and a long-lasting rechargeable battery that lets you spray for hours on a single charge. These padded backpack straps and waist straps mean you'll be comfy doing it. You'll appreciate big sprayer features in our compact HD2000. It's time to dump the pump. Step up to the convenience and efficiency of the PetraTools HD2000 as you take charge of your lawn and garden.